Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this look with drugstore makeup products. So let's get started with full face makeup. So I've got these pigmentation marks on my face due to pregnancy. First product I'm using here is Swiss Beauty Primer with this PAC flat brush. I will add the product details in description down below. So talking about the product, it gives a shine effect to the skin and it's also a primer, so it creates a barrier between the makeup layer and skin. It fills the pores also. Second product I'm using here is from Insight Cosmetics Color Corrector to correct my dark circles. I'm using one shade darker than my actual skin tone and blend in this out softly. Third product I've used here is foundation from LA Girl. Shade number is in description. This foundation is so good. Blends amazingly. You can see the finish. Fourth product I'm using this Huda Beauty Loose Powder to set everything out. This powder is just like butter, it smooths out the face so well. Fifth product I'm using is this blusher from Kaybeauty. So beautiful color. It adds charm to the face. Next, sixth product is this highlighter also from Kaybeauty. Gives beautiful shine to the face. I'm highlighting high points of my face. Now lining my lips with this Swiss Beauty lip liner. I'm not using lipstick here, using this tinted lip gloss from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Filling my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. Groomed eyebrows enhance face structure so much. Highlighting the brow bone and inner corner of the eye. Now doing the smudged eyeliner look. Drawing the kajal near to the lash line and blending it. Sharpening the corners with eyeliner pen. Applying the mascara. And this is the final look. Hope you'll like this look and learn something from this video. For more videos, please subscribe the channel, like and share this video. It will help us growing. Thanks for watching.